केन्द्रीयविद्यालयः वायुसेनास्थलम् आवडी चेन्नै सेमुषी द्वितीयः भागः कक्षा दशमी दशमवर्गः विषयः संस्कृतम् पञ्चमः पाठः पाठस्य नाम जननी तुल्यवत्सला पाठस्य परिचयः विवरणं च श्रीमन्महाभारतं महाभारते वनपर्वः महाभारतात् वनपर्वः वनपर्वे एका कथा श्रूयते अयं पाठः एव सा कथा कथायाः वक्ता व्यासः वक्ता इत्युक्ते स्टोरी टेलर् वक्ता व्यासः श्रोता इस् द लिसनर् श्रोता धृतराष्ट्रः मातृत्वचर्चाप्रसङ्गे वेदव्यासेन मातृत्वचर्चाप्रसङ्गे श्रीवेदव्यासेन धृतराष्ट्रं प्रति जनन्याः अर्थात् मातुः श्रेष्ठत्वं बोधनाय सन्देशरूपेण दत्तः विषयः एव अस्माकम् अयं पाठः. This lesson is a message given to Dhritarashtra by Sri Vedavyasa under the pretext of discussion to make him to realize the greatness of the motherly affection. अतः अयं पाठः कथारूपेण वर्तते. That's why the lesson is in the form of a story. एतावत्पर्यन्तकथा एकः कृषीवलः द्वाभ्यां बलिवर्धाभ्यां क्षेत्रकर्षणं करोति स्म. द्वयोः एकः वृषभः दुर्बलः अतः हलं वोढुम् अशक्तः भूमौ पतति स्म. तम् उत्थापयितुं बहुप्रयत्नं करोति कृषकः तथापि न उत्थितः. एतद् दृष्ट्वा धेनूनां माता सुरभिः रोदति स्म. इन्द्रः तां दृष्ट्वा अपृच्छत्, सहस्र अधिकेषु पुत्रेषु एकस्मिन् एव किमर्थम् अधिका कृपा इति. The so far story in the lesson: a Krishivala, a farmer, ploughing the field with the two bulls. One of them is weak, so it was not able to carry the load, not able to do the ploughing work, so fell down on the ground. The Krishaka farmer tried his level best to make it to do work, but it was not fruitful. The bull was not able to get up. On seeing this, Dhenuna Mata, the mother of all the cows, Surabhi, Rodati, felt for that, and Indra, Lord of gods, looked at Surabhi and asked her, when you have so many sons, then why you are so particularly showing this much special consideration to this one only? Then the story continues. यदि पुत्र सहस्रं मे सर्वत्र सममेव मे दीनस्य तु शतशक्र पुत्रस्याप्यधिका कृपा. यदि पुत्र सहस्रं मे सर्वत्र सममेव मे दीनस्य तु सतः शक्र पुत्रस्य अभ्यधिका कृपा. पदच्छेदः यदि पुत्र सहस्रम मे सर्वत्र समम एव मे दीनस्य तु सतः शक्र पुत्रस्य अभ्यधिका कृपा। अन्वयः, हे शक्र, यदि पुत्रसहस्रं मे सन्त्यपि सर्वत्र मे कृपा समम् एव भवति, तु परन्तु दीनस्य सतः पुत्रस्य अभ्यधिका कृपा वर्तते। अर्थः, हे शक्र, हे इंद्र, देवानां देव, मम सहस्रं पुत्राः सन्ति। सहस्रं पुत्राः सन्ति अपि सर्वेषु पुत्रेषु अर्थात् सहस्रेषु पुत्रेषु मम वात्सल्यं, मम मातृप्रेमा वात्सल्यं कृपा समम् एव भवति। तत्र पक्षपातं नास्ति, सर्वेषां कृते समम् एव मम कृपा। परन्तु यदि एकः पुत्रः दीनः भवति, अशक्तः भवति, परन्तु दीनस्य पुत्रस्य कृते अप्यधिका कृपा भवति। यदि एकः पुत्रः दीनः भवति, अशक्तः भवति, दुर्बलः भवति, तस्य कृते विशेषरूपेण अवधानं भवति एव। विशेषरूपेण अभ्यधिका कृपा भवति एव। Meaning, oh Lord Indra, though I have thousands of sons, that means thousands of cows as the descendant for Surabhi, my affection, here the my means it's a mother. Mother's affection towards them is equally shown. All the thousands of children will be equally loved by mother, equally treated by mother. But to the affected one, little more concern is shown. If any child is not feeling well, that child will be taken care of specially by a mother. It's quite natural, because who is not feeling well is to be brought to the normal condition. For that, a mother shows some special concern to the fellow who is needy. बहूनि अपत्यानि मे सन्ति इति सत्यम। Surabhi Indram prati vadati. Surabhi is talking with Lord Indra. O Indra, bahuni apatyani me santi. I have so many children, thousands of children, that is thousands of descendants, cows. Satyam, it is true, a mother can have so many children. Tatapi aham etasmin putre visishya atmavedanam anubhavami. Even though I have so many children, I am taking care of them equally, and I am loving them equally, doing everything for them equally. Even then, asmin putre kasmin putre, asmin vrishabhe. Who is that Vrishabha? Yaha Vrishabha Bhumau Patitaha, Yaha Vrishabha Durbalaha, Yaha Vrishabha Na Uthitaha. The bull which fell down because of weakness and not able to get up. Tasmin Putre, in that son, Visishya Atma Vedanam Anubhavami. Atma, myself, Vedanam, feel sorry for that particular child. All the children are treated equally. Why to feel particularly for this child is yatohi ayam anyebhyaha durbalaha, because he is weaker than other children. Other are okay, they are normal, they are doing work, and this one is not able to. Knowingly this bull, my son, is weak, cannot do the work, but this Krishi Valaha is forcing him to do the work. On seeing that pitiable condition, Atmavedanam Anubhavami, I feel for this child particularly. Sarveshu apatyeshu janani tulyavatsala eva. Surabhi continues, talking with Indra. O Lord Indra, सर्वेषु अपत्येषु अपत्यः पुत्रः पुत्रः और पुत्री वा भवतु सर्वेषु अपत्येषु to all children जननी जननी माता माता तुल्य वत्सल 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 वात्सल्यम whatever the mother shows towards the child is called vatsalyam. Vatsa means calf. The affection towards the calf is called vatsalyam. Tulya vatsalyam. Tulya equal samanam. So sarveshu apatyeshu janani tulya vatsala. The mother will always give affection to every child equally only. A mother shows equal affection to all the children. Tathapi, even then all the children are treated equally. If any child is not normal, durbale sute, sutaha is putraha, apatyaha sutaha पर्यायवाची हो सकता है. तथापि दुर्बले सुते मातुः अधिका कृपा, थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा, अधिका कृपा सहजा एव. तथापि दुर्बले सुते, even then more concern of the towards the weaker one is quite natural. Even then more concern of the mother towards the weaker one is quite natural, because mother wants to give more care for the child who is not normal. Why it is to be done? The mother wants that child should also come to the normal condition, so that this affected child will also equally doing the work along with the others. So because of that, durbale sute, to the weak child, mother's excessive care will be given. That is what I am doing. This is the statement of Surabhi to Indra. सुरभि वचनं श्रुत्वा वृषं विस्मितस्य आकण्डलस्य अपि हृदयम् अद्रवत्. सुरभि, सुरभि का धेनूनां माता. So Matuhu Vachanam Shrutva, having heard Surabhi's word. Who is Surabhi? Mata, Dhenunam Mata, mother's word. How the mother will talk in favor of the child. Hearing that, he understood the motherly affection. Indra understood the motherly affection. Then Vismitaha is admired, is very much astonished because of the motherly affection towards the child, that to affected child. Akhandalasya, Akhandalaha Indra, Lord Indra Paryayavachi Akhandala. Indra, another name is Akhandalaha. Akhandalasya Hridayam is heart. Adravat, Dravati, melting. Adravat, melt. Having heard the Surabhi's words, mother's words, Indra got very much admired because of the motherly affection and the reason for showing the extra care for the needy child, and felt melted in the heart. It means he felt sorry for the Durbala Vrishabhaha. Now not only the mother, even Indra also felt sorry for the Durbalaha Vrishabhaha, who is not able to get up and do the work. So now Saha Tam Evam Santvayati Asantvayat. Saha, Saha Kaha, Saha Indraha, Tam, Tam her, who? Surabhi. So Saha Indraha Tam Surabhim Evam Santvayati, in the following words, with the following words, is pacifying her. He consoled her in this way, saying, Gacchavatse Sarvam Bhadram Jayet. Oh my dear, proceed. Everything will become good. It means I, the Divine One, will take care of your son. You don't worry. You proceed, my dear. Everything will become good. One. Indra consoled her. Achiradeva immediately, the very next moment, Chandavatena Megharavaihi Chasah Pravarshaha Samajayata, and it started raining with storm and thunder. Everywhere it was raining heavily. Lokanam Pasyatam Yeva Sarvatra Jala Upaplavaha Sanjataha. Lokanam Pasyatam, seeing, watching. Lokanam, everybody, as everyone was watching in that area, it's flooded everywhere. Sarvatra, flood is Upaplava is flood. Jala Upaplavaha Sanjata, everywhere it is flooded. Then what to do? Krishaka cannot do his work. When he was not able to do the work, the bull, which is Durbala, was time being set free from the work. Krishakaha Harsha Atirekena. Harsham is happiness. Athirekam is Vyatirekam, opposite to the happiness, that is sad. Harshatirekena, sadly, because he was about to do the plowing work, and since it rained well and everywhere flooded, he cannot do that work. It is a relief for the Durbala Vrishabha, but Dukkam for the Krishaka. So Harshadirekena Dukkena, you can take it in the meaning of Dukkena. Kaha Dukkitaha? Krishakaha Dukkitaha. Why? Because Karshana Vimukaha. Vimukaha, he has to leave the Karshanam ploughing work. So the sad farmer, leaving the ploughing work, went home with the two bulls. So he took those two bulls. One is Bala, another is Durbala. Both were taken back to home by the Krishakaha. Now, time being, it was a rest given to the Durbala. That is because of the flood created by Indra, the Lord Indra. See, in this way, Lord Indra paid respect to the motherly affection by making her happy, by making the sun to take rest. Apatyeshu cha sarveshu janani tulya vatsala putre dine tu sa mata kripardra hridaya bhavet. Apatyeshu cha sarveshu janani tulya vatsala putre dine tu sa mata kripardra hridaya bhavet. Padachetah apatyeshu cha sarveshu janani tulya vatsala putre dine tu sa mata kripardra hridaya bhavet. Anvayah sarveshu apatyeshu cha janani tulya vatsala bhavati tu parantu dine putre sa mata kripardra hridaya bhavet. Artha sarveshu putreshu mata svavatsalyam svamatrupremam samanameva pradarshayati. Samameva pradarshayati parantu दीनस्य अर्थात दुःखितस्य पुत्रस्य विषये अधिकां कृपाम् अर्थात करुणां प्रदर्शयति. तथापि जननी तुल्यवत्सला, even then Janani, mother, is Tulyavatsala only, meaning a mother always equally loves every child, but to the distressed one, her care will be more, with the worry and concern to bring the weaker one to the normal condition on par with the other children. Therefore, the mother equally takes care of everyone. Mother equally loves the normal child and gives extra care to the child who is not normal. The reason is she wants to make the weaker one come to the normal condition on par with the other one, so that every child will be equally taken care. That's why the mother equally takes care of everyone. Janani Mata Tulya Vatsala, equally loving. Mother is equally loving one to all the children. अभ्यासार्थम् अभ्यासप्रश्नाः. माता सर्वत्र कथं भवति? समम् एव भवति. तस्याः कति अपत्यानि सन्ति? सुरभेः कति अपत्यानि सन्ति? हाउ मेनी? बहूनि. तस्मिन् पुत्रे विशिष्य काम् अनुभवति? व्हाट शी फील्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर दुर्बला? आत्मवेदनां, सेल्फ वरी, आत्मवेदनाम्. अयम् अन्येभ्यः कीदृशः? द दुर्बला is अन्येभ्यः कीदृशः? From others how he differs? दुर्बलः is weak and others are strong. सर्वेषु अपत्येषु का तुल्यवत्सल? Among all the children, who is so affectionate towards all the children? That is Janani. Janani is Mata. तथापि कीदृशे सुते अधिका कृपा भवति? Even though mother loves everybody equally, whom she gives more kripa, that is affection, durbale, on the weaker one. Achiradeva Chandavadena Mekaravaischya Kaha Samajayat. Achiradeva, in a short time, immediately the next moment, the storm came and the thunderous sound came, and what happened then is Pravarshaha. Pravarshaha is Varshaha, Vrishti, rain. Pravarshena Sarvatra Kaha Jayat. Because of this heavy rain, what happened everywhere? Jala Upaplavaha. Everywhere it is flooded. Krishakaha Kasmat Vimukaha. What he left and went? Karshanat. The ploughing work he left and went back home. Dine putri ka kripa ardra hridaya bhavet. Who will be with more affection towards the weaker child? It is Tulya Vatsala Mata. A mother who is equally loving everybody will be kripardra hridaya to the weaker one. Sandhim pasyamaha. Yataha plus he. Yatohi. Visarga sandhi. Visarga is followed by soft consonant. Anebhyaha durbalaha. Anebhyo durbalaha. Either also visarga followed by the soft consonant, third letter. Matuhu abhyatika. Visarga preceded by other than a and followed by any letter, visarga will become ra. The ra plus following a will become ra. So matu rabhyatika. Saha plus cha. When the saha word is coming, whatever the letter follows, the visarga disappears. And achirat eva, the first letter followed by any letter become third letter. First letter ta, achirat ta becomes the. So achira deva. Megharavaihi cha. The cha is following, so visarga becomes adasha. So megharavaischa. Pravarshaha samajayata, following is sa, so visarga will become sa. So pravarsha samajayata. Karshana vimukha san. Visarga is followed by sa, so visarga become adasa. So karshana vimukha san. Idanim samasam pasyamaha. Putranam sahasram putra sahasram. Thousands of children. Putranam sahasram. Atmani vedana. The pain in her mind is called Atmani vedana. Atma vedana. Surabhehi vachanam. Surabhi vachanam. Putranam sahasram. Putra mula shabdam. Sahasram joining the both. Putra sahasram. Atmani मूल शब्दम आत्म joining vedana atma vedana surabhe मूल शब्दम surabhi then joining the second word surabhi vachanam meghanam ravaihi megha मूल शब्दम ravaihi second word you join both so megha ravaihi जलस्य उपप्लावः जल मूल शब्दम उपप्लाव second word when you join jala ending with a so a plus u will become wo जलोपप्लावः हर्षात् अतिरेकेन हर्षातिरेकेन कर्षणात् विमुखः root word is karshana and vimukah karshana vimukah harshat root word harsha atirekena harshati rekena vrishabah cha वृषभः च एकवचनं प्लस एकवचनं द्विवचनं सो वृषभः वृषभौ द्विवचनं कृपया आर्द्रहृदय melted with कृपा तृतीय विभक्ति सो कृपा रूट वर्ड इज कृपा सो आर्द्रहृदय कृपार्द्रहृदय तृतीय पर्यायपदानि पश्यामः समं समानम इक्वल कृपा करुणा दया पिटी और mercy सहजा जन्मना natural और by birth वचनम कथनम वार्ता words or sayings विस्मितः आश्चर्यचकितः astonished or admired अचिरादेव शीघ्रमेव quickly मेघः जलदः अम्बुदः वारिवाहः पर्यायवाची for cloud रवैः शब्दैः गर्जनैः that is thunderous sound प्रवर्षः वर्षः वृष्टिः that is rain आकण्डलः इन्द्रः पर्यायवाची for Lord Indra. Dear students, we have now finished Janani Tulyavatsala lesson and please watch the video very carefully. This is part 3, final part. Write the Abhyasa questions in your homework and other Paryayavachi Sandhi Samasa in your classwork and please go through all the 3 bhaga part 1 part 2 part 3 abhyasa as well as the grammar points and this is your Sanskrit teacher K. Raghunathan KVAFS Avadi is taking leave of you now. Then we'll meet in the another topic. Tab tak dhanyavadaah.